Hello everyone. Welcome to the AI for All channel. Today, we're going to explore 3 incredible AI tools that will transform the way you create presentations: Pitch.com, Gamma.app, and SlidSpilot.com. These platforms are ideal for those looking for practicality, efficiency, and high-quality design, even without advanced skills in slide creation. Let's dive into the details of each one. Pitch.com, simple and efficient collaboration on presentations. Pitch.com is a presentation creation platform that emphasizes collaboration, allowing teams to work together in real time. Additionally, it uses artificial intelligence to optimize various stages of creation, from layout selection to final formatting. Let's explore 4 key aspects that make this tool stand out. Real-time collaboration. One of Pitch.com's biggest advantages is its ability to facilitate teamwork. Unlike traditional programs, where one person edits the presentation and sends it for review, Pitch allows everyone to work simultaneously. Each team member can add, edit, and comment directly on the document, avoiding the constant back and forth of different versions. Example: imagine you're creating a sales presentation with your team. While you're adjusting the graphics, your colleague may be editing text on another slide, and a third teammate may be reviewing the cover design all at the same time. This saves time and increases productivity. Additional example: during a live meeting, you realize some information needs to be updated quickly. With Pitch.com, your team can make these changes in real time without needing to pause the presentation or download new versions. Updates appear instantly on everyone's screens. Modern and intelligent templates. Pitch.com offers a wide range of templates that are automatically adjusted by AI according to the content you enter. For instance, if you start adding multiple graphs, the tool automatically suggests layouts that better highlight those visual elements. Example: if you are creating a financial presentation and need to include several charts and tables, Pitch will reorganize the elements so that the information is clear and visually appealing, without you having to manually adjust them. Integration with other tools. Another significant benefit of Pitch is its ability to integrate with other platforms like Google Drive, Dropbox, and Slack. This means you can import files easily without needing to download and reformat documents. Example: let's say you have all your research data stored in Google Sheets. With Pitch, you can integrate that data directly into the presentation without copying and pasting, ensuring the information is updated automatically. Dynamic presentations with custom transitions. In addition to its simplicity and collaboration features, Pitch allows you to create dynamic presentations with high-quality transitions. The AI suggests transition effects between slides that maintain the flow of the presentation, avoiding abrupt interruptions. Example: if you are presenting a project proposal and need to keep the audience engaged, Pitch.com suggests smooth transitions, such as slide or fade, ensuring slides change seamlessly without losing the audience's focus. Gamma.app, flexible design with real-time data. Gamma.app is a powerful tool for creating more interactive, data-driven presentations. Using AI, Gamma helps you organize your ideas and visualize complex information in a simple and efficient way. Intelligent data visualization. The key feature of Gamma.app is its ability to automatically turn data into graphs and infographics. The AI analyzes the data you've entered and suggests the best ways to visualize it, whether through bar charts, pie charts, or even flowcharts. Example: if you're conducting a market analysis and have lots of numbers, Gamma automatically generates graphs and infographics, making the information easier to understand and your presentation more visually impactful. Additional example: when creating a financial performance presentation, you can enter complex revenue data, and Gamma will automatically reorganize the information into easily understandable comparison charts, making the analysis accessible even for non-experts. Organizing ideas in workflows. Another strong point of Gamma is its ability to organize complex workflows and ideas. It allows you to create flowcharts and interactive organizational charts easily, without needing any technical design skills. Example: if you're explaining the structure of a company or the product development process, Gamma creates clear and easy-to-follow flowcharts that help your audience better understand what you're presenting. Integration with data analytics tools. Gamma.app also excels at integrating with data analytics tools like Google Analytics and CRM systems. This allows you to use real-time data in your presentations without needing to export and import files. Example: imagine you're creating a marketing presentation and need to show the performance of an online campaign. Gamma connects directly to Google Analytics, extracting real-time data and generating graphs automatically with that information. AI-generated content structure suggestions. Another advantage of Gamma.app is its ability to suggest content structures. As you enter the initial points of the presentation, the AI analyzes the content and suggests the best logical sequence for the slides, helping you build a smooth narrative. Example: if you're creating a presentation about a company's growth strategy, Gamma will suggest a structure starting with market analysis, followed by company goals, and concluding with the execution plan, making it easier to create a clear line of reasoning. Slidespilot.com, simplicity and efficiency in slide creation. Slidespilot.com is designed for those looking to create presentations quickly and efficiently, without sacrificing professional design. The platform uses AI to optimize slide creation and offers features that make it easy to create visually impactful presentations. Quick slide creation. The main differentiator of Slidespilot.com is the quick creation of slides. The tool offers an intuitive interface that allows you to create presentations almost automatically. The AI suggests templates, colors, and fonts based on the content you enter, eliminating the need for manual adjustments. Example: if you're in a hurry and need to put together a last-minute presentation, Slidespilot automatically organizes the elements and creates a visually balanced presentation ready for use in just a few minutes. Collaborative editing. Like Pitch.com, Slidespilot.com allows you to collaborate with your team. However, it focuses on an even simpler and more direct interface, ideal for users who aren't very experienced with design tools. Example: while you're editing the textual content of a slide, your colleague may be adjusting the images, and a third collaborator may be reviewing the formatting of the graphs, all in real time, without leaving the same platform. Professional and customizable templates. Despite its simplicity, Slidespilot.com doesn't compromise on quality. The platform offers professional templates that can be customized according to your company's or project's visual identity. The AI automatically adjusts graphic and textual elements to ensure visual harmony. Example: if you're creating a presentation for a corporate client, Slidespilot allows you to easily customize the template with the company's colors and logo, creating a presentation that reflects the brand's visual identity. Simple animations and transition effects. Slidespilot.com also offers a variety of animations and transition effects that are easy to apply. Even if you don't have design skills, the tool suggests animations that make your presentation dynamic without being overwhelming. Example: if you want to highlight an important chart, Slidespilot offers subtle animations that gradually bring elements into view, keeping the audience's attention without distractions. Did you enjoy the content? These three tools are powerful and can truly simplify the creation of professional presentations, even for those with little design experience. If you liked the video, don't forget to subscribe to the AI for All channel and give us a like. See you next time.